Really hoping these bloom this year. These are Fascicularia. I put them in when they were really tiny, and they're doing really well. They're actually quite big, and they are evergreen here. They're like a hardy bromeliad, and they do bloom on Salt Spring Island. And because one of the guys I got these from 2 different people. They bloom nicely for them. They're growing. It is late winter, and have some more Fascicularia here, smaller ones. You can see them right in the corner there, right under the oleander. And then there's another one right in there behind the agave. See that? So a really nice plant to grow. Just put them in well-draining soil and full sun, and they are hardy here in this growing zone. So that's Fascicularia, and they do produce a really cool bromeliad type flower on them. Look that one up. Full sun, well-draining soil, and for this growing zone. We're in a northern zone 9A. I suspect they can handle slightly cooler growing zone than this too. I'm guessing. Maybe zone 8B. You can look them up anyway. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Try one in your own garden. Cheers. Like and subscribe.